Hi, Chris here. Looking at a quick workflow for giving feedback on assignments. I can see I've got a new Dropbox submission here, and I'm going to open up and mark something as this person. I'm going to say evaluate, and I'm going to use the new features now that are inside D2L already. So I'm going to view the document, and I've got this pen now. So if I have a touch screen, or even if I just have a mouse, I can write with it, but I have a touch screen, and I can think about pre-circling some stuff in here. I also like, if you're an English teacher, I've got these notes that I can add in. I can have them bullet in whatever color I want. So you may have color coding of grammar versus whatever else. You can have it as the icon arrow is a right thing. So if I'm going to stick the arrow right here, you're going to see where I'm pointing at, and I can move it around to say it's going to point right there. And I can say, you know, don't forget to evaluate. Okay. And they go away, but as you hover over them, you see them again, and they're all contained right inside D2L, which is kind of nice. So I can circle, I can add in text boxes if I wanted to, and I can add in the notes that they're going to get used to hovering over top of, being able to see when they hover over top of them. Okay. I'm also going to think about doing a video, because I like doing videos and I find it faster. So I'm going to use Loom, which we have built in here. And I'm going to say I'm going to use the screen and the camera, because it has my picture here too, so they know it's a real person giving them feedback. And I've decided that which camera, which microphone, all that kind of stuff. And I can work on just the tab that's open here, or I can say my full desktop. I'm just going to say the tab that's open because that's the one I'm working on. I'm going to start recording. It gives me a countdown, gives me ready to think about what I want to say. So then I can have my mouse moving as I talk. I can still be writing as I talk and say, hey, Johnny, this looks good. Maybe you should think about exponents more as your life choice. And here's some spelling and whatever else I want to do. Okay. And I can pan through it. I can do whatever I want. I can get rid of the mouse and notice that as I hover, don't forget, as you hover, you're going to be able to see my different comments as we go through. Okay. When I'm done, I'm going to finish my recording. And it wants to copy. I'm going to say, let's change it, the name to MAP4C Unit 3 Activity 1 Billy, to give it a specific name, because then later on I can go into my videos and see if he's watched it and how many times he's watched it as well. So rather than having a default one, pick the person's name and away we go. You can preview the video if you like, and I want to embed it. So I'm going to go to the share button, and I'm going to say I want to embed this thing. And in responsive, that looks good. And it's already copied. I don't have to hit copy or anything else. It's already copied. So now when I'm ready to evaluate, this person got a 6 out of 10. And remember, we have it automatically say, no, let's only let them see levels, right? And I can give them some feedback. Great job, Billy. Billy. And I'm going to embed that video right here. So I'm going to say insert stuff, enter embed code, paste this embed code here, next, and insert. Okay, they may get blocked on it, but they'll be able to say it, view and publish, and then we're going to go see what Billy sees. Okay, so I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to stop being me for a minute, and I'm going to impersonate Billy by going over to the class list and impersonate Billy. So Billy should see an update saying he's got a Dropbox with unread feedback. He's going to go into his Dropbox. Oh, there it is right there. He knows he's got a level 2. Let's see the feedback. He knows it's unread because he hasn't read it yet. So I click on there, and it will say blocked. I'm trying to get rid of that, but as he unblocks it, he can see the video. Okay, he can also see his score, and he should be able to see his inline feedback. So if he clicks on that, there's his marked up feedback that you had, and as he hovers over any of the pointers there, he can see it, and he can scroll to his second page as well. Okay, so really quick and easy. I didn't do anything outside with PDF Annotator or any other kind of programs. It was all built in within D2L. I just used Loom, which is a nice video recorder, on top of my screen.